How to add color corrections to individual clips in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and head to the edit page where your clips are arranged on the timeline. Select the clip you want to color correct by clicking on it. Next, switch to the color page by clicking the color tab at the bottom. Here, each clip has its own node tree, which allows you to apply corrections separately. Then, with the clip selected, start by adjusting the primary wheels, lift, gamma, gain, and offset to correct exposure and contrast. Use these color wheels to balance shadows, midtones, highlight, and overall image brightness. After that, if you want to refine colors further, use the curves panel to control brightness and contrast in more detail. You can adjust individual color channels for precise color grading. You can also add additional nodes for more advanced corrections. To do this, right-click in the node area and select Add Serial Node. This way, you can layer different effects without altering the original corrections. Finally, once your color correction looks good on that clip, move to the next clip and repeat the process individually. This ensures each clip is adjusted perfectly to match your desired look. Remember, DaVinci Resolve keeps color corrections tied to each clip, so changes won't affect other clips until you copy and paste corrections manually. And that's it. Now you know how to add color corrections to individual clips in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.